Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to online sport class 3 for subject science, and it's going to be our 7th lesson. It's about unit 5 and chapter number 10. So students, we are going to take the review of unit 5 matter and materials and chapter number 10 solids, liquid and gases. So see the contents of the video. The contents of the video are winter pack, and after that we will do the work on notebook. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn about solids, liquid and gases and their properties. Learn that the state of materials can be changed either by heating and cooling. Differentiate between soluble and insoluble. So the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, color box, eraser, sharpener, ruler, notebook, science book and winter pack. So I hope you kept there all things and you are ready for your lesson. This is unit 5, matter and materials, chapter number 10, solids, liquids and gases. These are the 3 states of material which we have discussed in the previous lesson. So before going to start today's lesson, let's take a very short review about this chapter. First of all, see the solids. Things that have definite shape are called solids. So students, we can be kept the solid object without container like wood, metal, bricks. ये तमाम चीजें जो हैं ये solids होती हैं. Now see the liquids. Liquids are substances that do not have any shape and flow easily. And liquids take the shape of the container like petrol, oil, water and milk are liquids. Now see gases. Gases do not have a definite shape and spread out in all directions. They also take shape of the container and gases can only be kept in closed container. Now students, we will see how these states can be changed from one to another by heating or cooling. So first of all, we see that how state can be changed by heating. So let's see. On heating temperature, solids object change to liquid and liquid change to gas. So students, मैं आपको इसकी एग्जांपल दूंगी. Like अगर आप आइस क्यूब को देखें, आइस क्यूब सॉलिड है, लेकिन जब आप उसे रेफ्रिजरेटर के बाहर के टेम्परेचर पे रखते हैं तो वो सॉलिड से लिक्विड में टर्न हो जाते हैं. इसी तरह से जब लिक्विड को हम हीटिंग टेम्परेचर पे रखेंगे तो वो गैस में टर्न हो जाएगा. अब स्टूडेंट्स देखें, चेंजिंग स्टेट बाय कूलिंग. लेट्स सी, गैस चेंज टू लिक्विड एंड लिक्विड चेंज टू सॉलिड. आप देखें कि कूलिंग टेम्परेचर पे जो गैस है वो लिक्विड में चेंज हो गई एंड लिक्विड सॉलिड में चेंज हो गया. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द चेंज ऑफ द स्टेट. Let's take a quick review of these points on page number 70. See the points. The first one is all the materials are divided into 3 groups: solids, liquids and gases. The next one is things that occupy space and have a definite shape are called solids. The third one is liquids flow and do not have definite shape. See the fourth one point, gases spread out in all directions. Fifth one point is ice, water and steam are the 3 states of water. The sixth one point is about on heating or cooling, water change its state. Second last, salt and sugar are soluble in water, and the last one point is about sand is insoluble in water. So students, these are the points which will be helpful for the lesson. Now students, open your winter pack, subject science, page 9, unit 5, matter and materials. And this is chapter number 10, solid, liquid and gases. Answer this question. So students, see the question number 1, name the 3 states of water. Now we will write the 3 states of water in the answer. The answer is, the 3 states of water are ice, water and water vapor. These are the states of the water. Now students, come on the next one question. Question number 2. Name 3 solids which are used in buildings. अब हम 3 सॉलिड चीजों के नेम बताएंगे जो कि हम बिल्डिंग्स में यूज करते हैं. So see the answer. The solids like bricks, stones and wood are used in buildings. See the question number 3. The question number 3 is what are the characteristics of a liquid? So students, अब हम लिक्विड की खसूसियात के बारे में बताएंगे. So see the answer. The characteristics of a liquid are as number 1, liquid take the shape of the container. Liquid जो है वो कंटेनर की शेप ले लेता है. So number 2 is liquid do not have any shape and flow easily. इसकी अपनी कोई शेप नहीं होती और ये easily flow करता है. So students, now come on the next one question. Question number 4. Name 3 materials which do not have definite shape. अब अपन materials के name write करेंगे which do not have definite shape. So see the answer. Water, milk, oil and petrol are some of the materials. ये वो materials हैं which do not have a definite shape. So I hope these all questions are clear. Question number 5 is name the gaseous state of water. So students, the gaseous state of water is water vapor or steam. Now see question number 6. What do you understand by change of state of materials? So students, we can change the 3 states of material from one to another by heating or cooling. हम materials की तीनों state को change कर सकते हैं एक से दूसरी में by heating or cooling. So this was the answer of question number 6. Now see the question number 7. Name a material that needs a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. Students, solid state से liquid state में किस material को सबसे ज़्यादा heat की ज़रूरत है? So see the answer. Metals. Metals need a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. So these are the question answer of chapter number 10, which you have to rewrite on your science notebook in your neat handwriting. Now we have to start the notebook work. So write down in depth about chapter number 10, solid, liquid and gases, question answer 1 till 7. So let's start title page of unit 5, matter and materials, chapter number 10, solid, liquids and gases. Reading, introduction, question answer, worksheet and class assessment. So with the help of this slide, draw the title page on your science notebook. Okay students, now on the very next page of your title page, write down the date and today's task at the top of the page. Don't forget to draw the margin line. Let's start writing. Write down topic. The topic is unit 5, chapter number 10, solids, liquid and gases. Answer this question. Now write down question number 1. Question number 1 is name the 3 states of water. Write down the answer of question number 1. Now write down question number 2. Question number 2 is name the 3 solids which are used in buildings. Write down the answer of question number 2. Write down the question number 3. What are the characteristics of liquids? Question number 4 is name 3 materials which do not have a definite shape. Now come on the next page. Question number 5. Name the gaseous state of water. And question number 6. What do you understand by change of state of materials? And students, also write down the question number 7. Name a material that needs a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. And students, these are the question answers of chapter number 10. You may take the help from the winter pack and you write on your science note. So I'm going to assign the task which you have to do is do and learn question answer 1 till 7 about unit 5 chapter number 10 on your science note. So I hope you will complete your task efficiently. So I hope today's lesson was very interesting and helpful for you. To the next lesson, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.